Today we're going to talk about JD Sourcing's most popular service, which is requesting products. This is really what we mean when we say source like a Fortune 500 company. So you can ask JD to find a product that you want to sell, and then our army of sourcing professionals will work hard to share feedback with you within a business day or two. The first question would be, what can you ask JD for? I think there are three main types of requests that we see. The first one is, you're a drop shipper, you're already selling a product well, and you want to see if JD Sourcing can get you better pricing, faster shipping, better supply chain. That's an easy request for us to handle. Another type of request is if you have a great new idea and you want to see if we can find a supply for it. Third type of request is for white labeling a product. So maybe you want to put your brand logo or you want custom packaging for a product. You can ask us for that as well. You'll need to put down a prepayment for part of the cost of the inventory, and then you can drop ship the rest. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at how do we make a request in JD Sourcing. So the first thing is we want to make sure that we've registered with JD Sourcing. Once you have, you'll be on the home page here, and we need to connect JD Sourcing to Shopify. So you can follow the tutorial here to get that done. Just download the app and then connect your app to JD Sourcing. Once you've done that, then the next step is let's go ahead and submit a sourcing request. So now we need to tell JD what we want JD to find. And so to do that, you're just going to go over to this tab here, and you're going to submit a sourcing request. And so there's a form here that basically is just telling JD what you're looking for. Now, let's say that we have found a really cool idea for our store. So imagine that you are drop shipping home entertainment products, and you found this really cool movie projector product that you want to sell on your store this Christmas to your customers. So you already have an idea of this, but you're hoping that JD can let you drop ship it, and also that JD can get you better pricing, faster shipping. So if that's the case, then you can very easily just tell JD what you're looking for. Just fill out product title, tell us, your best guess of what this product category is, and then you can add a picture of the product. So I just took a screenshot from Alibaba here and just added a screenshot. Now, this question, do you only want this specific product, or would a similar product also work for you? So you can let us know, I only want this video projector, or maybe you're okay with JD recommending other similar products in your pool. So in this case, I'm going to say I only want this product. Now here you can, if you have a URL, you can also copy and paste that so that it's really easy for JD to see what you're asking for. You can copy and paste an Alibaba link, AliExpress link, even a link to your own store if you're already selling this product. So now, have you ever sold this product, or are you selling it now? If the answer is yes, then JD is going to ask you to tell us what your volume is. Obviously, if you're already selling this product with good volume, that makes it really attractive for JD to offer you supply and to give you better pricing. If this is a new product for you, then you can just click no. So we'll go ahead and click no, I haven't sold it before. And now you need to tell JD more about your requirements. So for example, what pricing am I looking for? So going back to Alibaba, I can see I can get this for between $85 and $99, depending on some options probably. And so I'll go ahead and say that my highest price that I'm willing to accept from JD is probably $85. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And then the lowest price, I would love to get a discount. So let's see if JD can get me a few dollars cheaper on the same product. And now, does that include shipping? No, it doesn't. Now, let's say that you looked at what would be a reasonable volume based on the number of users on your site and conversion rate and previous buying patterns. And you think I could sell at least 50 of these over the next 90 days. So through Q4, so I'm going to put that in there. Now, where do I want to sell this? Let's say I want to sell it in the US. This is particularly important for electronics because they might have different cables, different plugs, depending on the market. And so make sure you tell us where you want to be selling this. And finally, when do you want this listed on your store? Maybe it's ASAP, in which case you can put, tomorrow. maybe there's a latest date that you would want to put that there, so you can add a latest date. And then finally, tell us which store you're going to be selling on, your contact info, and any other requirements. Now, this other requirements field, you might want to add, for example, other than the product, I want a 1-year warranty. Otherwise, I'm not willing to sell this electronics product. Maybe you have that requirement, or maybe you have some other requirement that you want to let JD know about. For example, I want to white label this product. So you can let us know, I want 1-year warranty needed. And then after that, you can go ahead and click confirm to submit. So once you've submitted your request, then you'll see this message saying that you submitted this successfully, and now it's on JD to get feedback to you typically within 1 to 2 business days. So if you want to check on the status, you can click back here and you'll see that the status is currently submitted. You don't have a quotation yet. We haven't uploaded products yet. And so for now, you're waiting. Once JD has found a suitable product to match your request, then typically the JD sourcing team will reach out to you to confirm that it meets your expectations. So you'll actually see first that the status changes to product sourced, and you'll see now a quotation here and a photo, and you can click in and you'll be able to see more information here on what JD is offering. So for example, is the inventory already produced, or does the factory have to produce it before they can supply it? This will depend on the product. So in this case, the inventory is already available, and we can go ahead and get it into JD's warehouse within 5 days after confirming with you. And so the JD sourcing business team will reach out, make sure that this works for you, and confirm the timing and pricing. And then we'll go ahead and move forward with moving inventory into our warehouse. And you'll notice one other detail here. You submitted the specific request that you wanted a 1-year supplier warranty. And in this case, JD is saying that that's included in the pricing. So you can see this. And once JD confirms with you, then goods will be on their way to the JD warehouse. So now that you've confirmed this product with JD and we were able to get it listed onto JD sourcing, now you have a product page for that product, complete with some nice pictures here, as well as the product pricing here on top and the logistics shipping here. Now you can see here that this product is shipped from the US, and so you can expect a pretty fast shipping time here to US customers. And then if you scroll down, you can see more product information here, which you can use to write up a nice product description. So now that this product is available to list to your store, you can, just like any other product on JD, go ahead and add it to your import list and then edit it in your import list before pushing to your store. So you can have this available to start selling through your Shopify store in 3 clicks.